Welcome to Great Garden. Do you want your Anthurium to have glossy green leaves and vibrant red-pink flowers, a symbol of luck, prosperity, and lasting vitality? In this video, I'll share a simple way to care for your Anthurium using familiar kitchen ingredients that anyone can easily find and apply. After a period of application, you'll clearly notice darker green, thicker, and glossier leaves. Strong, evenly developing roots. Long-lasting blooms with vibrant color. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Great Garden so you won't miss any helpful plant care tips. Let's get started. If you have a red Anthurium that isn't producing buds, isn't blooming, seems stagnant, and has stopped growing, watch until the end of the video to discover this amazing tip. To stimulate blooming, the first step is to prepare a suitable organic fertilizer. The ingredient I'm using today is oats. Oats are rich in minerals, vitamins, and natural organic compounds that help boost the plant's growth, support bud formation, and promote healthier, longer-lasting, and more beautiful flowers. First, add 4 tablespoons of oats into a blender. Next, add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Finally, put the lid on and blend the oat mixture until it is very smooth. Blending it thoroughly helps release the nutrients in the oats, allowing them to dissolve better in the water. As a result, the plant can absorb the nutrients more quickly and effectively when applied. Next, strain the mixture through a sieve or a clean cloth to remove the oat pulp, keeping only the liquid. The liquid you obtain is a nutrient-rich oat solution that can be used to feed your plants, providing natural energy and supporting healthy growth. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. You can see that the liquid has a milky white color, just like in the video. I will add 1 liter of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution. That's it. We now have a nutrient-rich fertilizer solution ready for the plant. Method 1. First, pour the properly prepared and diluted oat solution into a spray bottle. Then lightly mist the entire Anthurium plant, from the leaves and stems to the base and root area. This spraying method allows the natural nutrients in the oat solution to quickly penetrate through the leaf surface, similar to foliar feeding, helping the plant absorb micronutrients more easily and effectively. As a result, the Anthurium's resistance is strengthened, helping to reduce pests and diseases, while supporting healthy root development, stronger stems, and balanced, stable leaf growth. You can apply this method about once or twice a month, to maintain the plant's vitality and help your anthurium grow steadily over time. In addition to anthuriums, I also mixed the oat solution onto my ZZ plant. Spraying the oat solution helps the ZZZ plant's leaves become darker green, thicker, and glossier, supporting a more stable photosynthesis process. At the same time, the natural nutrients strengthen the plant's resistance, promote healthy root development, reduce yellowing leaves, and encourage steady, long-lasting growth over time. Method 2. Next, pour the oat solution into a clean glass cup. Next, soak a cotton pad or a soft cloth in the diluted oat solution, then gently wipe both the top and underside of the anthurium leaves. This method helps remove dust, mineral residue, and long-standing buildup on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and allowing photosynthesis to function more efficiently. The oat solution also provides natural nutrients that help limit harmful fungi and bacteria, reducing the risk of common leaf diseases in anthuriums. You can wipe the leaves about once a month, or whenever you notice a heavy buildup of dust, to keep the plant looking green and healthy. Not only do I apply this method to anthuriums, but I also use the oat solution to clean orchid leaves. Regularly wiping the leaves with this solution helps remove dust and residue from the surface, keeping them clean and well ventilated. As a result, photosynthesis becomes more efficient, the orchid leaves maintain their natural green color, gain a healthy shine, and the plant's overall resistance is improved. Method 3. Next, pour the diluted oat solution into a clean watering can, then gently and evenly water around the base of the anthurium so the solution can gradually soak into the growing medium. Oats provide natural organic nutrients and micronutrients that help stimulate root development, nourish a strong root system, and support darker green, thicker, and naturally glossy anthurium leaves. Watering in the correct amount also helps keep the growing medium stable, reduces the risk of harmful root fungi, and creates favorable conditions for the plant to absorb nutrients effectively throughout its growth cycle. I don't just use the oat solution for anthuriums. I also apply it to orchids. When watered in moderate amounts, orchids respond quite positively. The roots grow stronger, anchor more firmly to the growing medium, and the leaves become greener and sturdier. Regularly supplementing with diluted oat solution helps orchids maintain stable vitality, supports root growth and leaf development, and is especially suitable for plants that are recovering or going through a strong growth phase. Any leftover solution can be poured into a clean plastic bottle, tightly sealed, and stored in the refrigerator. Under these conditions, the solution can be used effectively for about 3 to 5 days. When you need to use it, simply take the bottle out, give it a gentle shake to mix the solution evenly, then pour it into your watering can. After that, water lightly around the base of the plant. In this example, I'll water the base of the orchid to help the plant absorb nutrients gradually and more safely. When watering, do it slowly and evenly around the root zone. Avoid pouring too forcefully in one spot, as this may wash away the growing medium or shock the plant. Just apply enough to moisten the medium. Don't overwater. This helps keep the roots well aerated and reduces the risk of fungal diseases. Results. After 2 months of application. For Anthuriums, after about 2 months of care, the Anthurium showed clear improvements in both health and appearance. The plant grew steadily, with leaves becoming darker green than before. The leaf blades turned thicker, slightly glossy, and showed fewer signs of yellow edges or curling. The leaves were firm with good elasticity, indicating that the plant was being nourished fully and in a balanced way from within. The root system developed strongly, with new roots emerging evenly around the base. The root tips appeared bright and plump, anchoring more firmly into the growing medium, which helped the plant absorb water and nutrients more efficiently. Thanks to this stable root system, the plant maintained its strength, was less stressed by weather changes, and showed a noticeably improved ability to form flower stalks. This is an essential foundation for producing consistent blooms with fresher colors and longer-lasting flowers in the next stages. For orchids, new roots developed actively, with green, plump root tips firmly attached to the growing medium. The leaves became thicker and healthier green, and the plants maintained good overall vigor. Some pots even began showing early signs of spike initiation, promising more durable and beautiful blooms in the next cycle. For other plants like the Zazie Z plant, the leaves became lush green, thicker, and glossier. The stems grew sturdier, and overall growth was balanced and steady. The plant appeared healthier, shed fewer leaves, maintained its shape well, and developed consistently over time. What do you think about this natural oat-based plant care method? Have you tried applying this technique to your orchids? Share your experience in the comments so we can learn together. These results are a well-deserved reward for patience and proper care. When nourished appropriately, orchids respond with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Great Garden, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple yet effective orchid care tips. See you in the next videos.